Quest for Tech, where every day is a quest to find the newest technology in video games.
With us being a new channel, we really appreciate your support. So do us a favor and like, subscribe, share, and comment below. And here we go.
Hey friends, welcome to Quest for Tech. We just want to take a second and thank you for joining us and giving our channel a shot. We put a lot of work into all our videos, so it really means a lot that you would give our channel a chance. Do us a big favor, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel so you can help us grow and for your shot at winning a $20 Best Buy gift card. We're getting closer to 1,000 subscribers, and as soon as we hit 1,000, we'll start giving them away. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. All right, so the Echo Show 10 is available right now on Amazon for $249.99. You can get it in Glacier White or Charcoal. And they're running a promotion that for an extra $5, you get this cute little Blink Mini camera. It's a nice HD camera that's originally $34.99. So for $5, we think that's a really good deal. So we'll be doing a full review and video unboxing on the Blink Mini, but for right now, it's all about the Echo Show 10. So let's get it unboxed. First thing, you got your power cord. Nice cool little box here, box insert. Look, it almost looks like an Echo Show 10, that's cool. And then inside here, you got your usual books and stuff. Do what you do with those. Important. And then, wow, this thing is bigger than I thought. And this is it. Nothing else in the box there but air and opportunity. And it is swiveling already. So there's not a swivel lock. It definitely moves on its own. Ooh.
Isn't she purty?
Nice. Oh my goodness. This speaker is huge. So it doesn't do a full 360 degrees. It kind of stops right there, so that's probably the back. But it goes all the way around. It gets pretty close. Oh, wow, I'm having too much fun just doing that. Well, that's awesome. The screen does tilt, which is really nice. And this tells you, oh, look at this. This is interesting. Keep space clear of objects. Oh, this is cool. So that is the space that they want you to have around the display for it to be able to swivel without hitting anything. So that's actually pretty cool. That's a pretty smart idea. So if you didn't know how much space you need, that's how much space you need. So it doesn't swivel and hit any of your other stuff. If placed near a wall, run device mapping. So, okay. Keep space clear of objects, and there it is. So maybe we'll go ahead and keep this thing handy, because I don't know where the heck we're gonna put this yet. At least not permanently, but we'll find a place. Up front, you have your huge 13 megapixel camera. This is the mute button right here. And then here's the volume up and down, camera shutter. And that is about it. And that's your big, huge speaker. Really nice design. Really liking the design. It would be cool if you could move the display up, like kind of swivel it, tilt it up or down, but not complaining too much. Okay, to get it set up, all you do is plug this in under the unit, and we will walk through the setup together. Have your Wi-Fi ready. Pick your language.
Ready for setup.
Connect it to your Wi-Fi network.
When you order from your Amazon account, it automatically links to your Amazon account that you ordered it from. If you want to switch to a different account, this is where you would do that.
All right, so this is where you pick your time zone. Which room is it in? It's gonna be in there. All right, so you pick your wallpaper. We're gonna roll with nature. And of course, like any new device, it's probably gonna have to update. So let's see, it can help monitor your home, allow members of your household to live stream this Echo Show camera anytime, anywhere through the Alexa app and connected devices such as another Echo Show. An indicator will appear when someone in your house is streaming the camera, aka watching you. So decide accordingly. You can also use the camera to trigger routines when people are detected. Right now we'll enable this because I am the only one with access to this. Hopefully. All set. The Echo Show will now appear as a camera in your Alexa app. Go to devices, cameras, in the app to try live view and to customize camera features. Go to settings on this device. Whoa. Okay, that is slightly freaky. The thing just started turning. Come back, dude. I can't see you. All right, now that we're turned back around, where is it placed? On an island against the wall. Okay, well, I guess it's on the island now. Preview how far your device will rotate. As the screen moves, make sure you can see it from different places in the room. All right, let's see. So this is where that little thing comes in handy. It's definitely going to check and see how far it can go.
Whee!
Wow, I can't wait to actually like chime in the camera and like move it around. That's gonna be crazy. Okay, so you can control how far it goes. So if you just happen to have it, if you have to put it in a place where it can't go all 350 degrees around or whatever it is, you can adjust the slider just like that. So we're good, so we'll keep it. Now use the slider to select the idle position. This is where the screen will face when it's not in use. I'm guessing you can change. Okay, cool. So you can definitely go back in and change this. Okay. Coming soon, welcome to Amazon Sidewalk. Basically a shared network that helps devices work better. Sidewalk can help your compatible devices automatically connect or reconnect to your router. It can also extend the coverage for Sidewalk enabled devices such as rings, smart lights, and pet and object trackers. It sounds cool. It uses a small portion of your internet bandwidth to provide these services. Select countries, so guess we'll talk about that when it actually comes out. Sidewalk, you can help neighbors find pets, important things. Okay, sounds like the Tile network almost. Most out of your Echo Show. What do you want me to buy? $5? What? Oh, $3.99 for music? No thanks.
This device is ready.
All right, and it is finally set up. So, whoa. Here's our idle screen. You got your time, date, and the weather. And then of course it's going to start shuffling through different things that, you know, Alexa can do. Stop.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
Why are you moving? So apparently it's, I don't know if it's trying to find me or what, but yeah. So here's some of the screens, just scrolling through it. There's your nice nature display right there. Of course, a couple of things that Alexa can do. Oh, let's go and check the video quality. Let's check out what's up with Harry and Meghan.
Here's your story.
Oh, that's pretty loud. That has definitely got some bass to it. Oh, they got a child already? I didn't know that.
You don't know about Archie?
No,
She's pregnant with the second one already.
it's awesome. All right. So now that we have been updated on Meghan and Harry, you can drop down some of your settings. Home screen, brightness. This is motion. This is where you turn the motion off and on right here. And in your settings, you can adjust how you want it to move, your motion preferences. So that's really cool. And there's your device mapping, which we were at before. You know, going to whatever position you want it to go to. What else? You got your Bluetooth. You can look at your connected devices. Display and brightness, adaptive brightness, sunrise effect. If you wanted to gradually increase the brightness, just like the sun is coming up from 4 to 9 a.m. Adaptive color, wallpaper and clock. So this is where you pick. If you have Amazon photos, you can display those, or your Facebook album, or you can just pick like seasonal, art, travel, whatever you want. And right here, home content. So this is probably gonna be, yep, this will show your devices when your own Echo devices are active. Discover more, drop in. This is so you can drop in and check the camera out. And a bunch of other stuff. You can decide what you want to choose there. Let's see, you got your sounds. Communication, bunch of stuff. We'll definitely go through this in more detail in our full review, but here's where your home monitoring is. So you'll be able to drop in on the Alexa app and monitor your home using this camera. Here you can put an audio alert when your camera begins streaming. I'm definitely going to do that, so at least you're warned if someone starts streaming, watching your camera in your household. Things to try. Okay, so we'll definitely dive more into this. Yes, the screen does feel nice, but sometimes you do have to touch it a couple times to get it working. Nice. All right, so I'm going into my Alexa app. Oh, nope, I didn't mean you. All right, so it must know that I'm like sitting to the right, because as soon as I said that word, it came to find me. This thing is definitely watching me. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 1:17 a.m.
Okay, Alexa, go back over the other way. Rotate.
Alexa.
Oh, sweet. Go over.
So it knows to choose.
Oh,
the
that
person.
okay. That is awesome. So it is definitely auto tracking anybody that's near it, and whoever says the trigger word, it will swivel to follow you.
Alexa.
Oh wow, and it will move with her.
And it stopped when I stopped.
Open up YouTube.
Select the default browser.
Dang, it's only Silk or Firefox. Oh, what are the choices?
Here is YouTube.
Oh, well, it does bring you there pretty quick. That's cool. Let's see if we can find the greatest channel in the world. What? Okay, that was bogus. Alexa, show me Quest for Tech on YouTube.
Searching YouTube.
Okay. It looked up Quest for Taco, but at least we got the quest right, so we'll just go ahead and drop in the 4 TECH. And there we are. Let's play one of our videos. Let's check out this quality. Let's check out the screen quality a little bit more. Where is Spider-Man?
You can't keep up. You're naive, Nestor. You're the kid looking up to Spider-Man.
No, I'm the kid who knows you big enough to me.
So it's definitely tracking again. Oh wow. So it's 2 of us here. So that is really cool. It will track whoever is looking at it and move around with you. So that is pretty sweet. We're probably both throwing it off because we're like right in front of it. So is the camera. But that is pretty sweet that it will move with you and show you, you know, the content that you're looking at. So that is pretty cool in a slightly creepy way.
If that's what it takes.
The screen does seem a little bit washed out. It could be, well, duh, change the quality. 720p. I'm not sure if it'll let me view in 1080p. So we're definitely doing a dance with it. Or it's watching our eyes trying to keep up with where we are. So that is pretty cool. Wow, that is loud. That sounds great. But the screen is only letting me get 720p on YouTube right now. So I'll have to test it some more and see if I can get a higher quality image off YouTube. Again, this is not the YouTube app. It's using the Silk browser. So not sure if that has something to do with it. But it does look pretty good. We just wanted to give you a quick preview of the Echo Show 10. We'll obviously get this thing set up and review it a little bit, and we will release our full video review ASAP. But that will be the video for today as we try not to get motion tracked in our sleep. But thanks everybody for questing with us. We really appreciate you. Do us a favor and like the video and subscribe to the channel to help us grow and for your shot at winning a $20 Best Buy gift card. Help us reach 1,000. Subscribe today, please. Everybody have a great rest of the day. Stay safe and never stop questing. Peace.